Same with Shaggy when I was going on him.
Sure. I mean, so she walks plenty fast, doesn't she?
Yeah.
She doesn't want to walk through that pretty area. All right. You can get down.
Kick or step. I can't. Foot. He stopped.
I was going to ask him to flex over here. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and flex him. He's already flexing, but. Now when you're flexing them, you want to go up to 45 or 90 degrees, but not like all the way to your foot. So you're just going to wait for it. Give them time to figure it out. We want our donkeys to think things through and not just be a robot. Sorry.
He's a little resistant on this side.
And that's pretty common that they'll be more resistant on one side than another. So just wait for it. Give them time to figure. All right, so this is Yuno and Paul flexing. So he's sliding his hand down so that Yuno knows what's coming. There, he turned just a tad. I heard a long time ago that if you were to take your rein and fold it in half and tie it with a piece of thread, that if you're pulling with more pressure than that, you're pulling with too much pressure. The hair, that was really good. So now we're gonna do a few of these on each. All right, so we worked with Yuno's feet, and you can see just how well he walks out. This is a donkey who likes to.
There you go, Yuno. Go.
He's looking at his shadow. If your donkeys are afraid of shadows, they'll get over it the more you just work them around.
These boots are still a little bit big, I noticed now.
Boy, she is.
Is he gonna make a full circle this time, Mom?
Apparently not.
Good boy. Yuno's going the opposite way, Mom.
It's okay. I'm just going to go over here so we're not cutting on.
I think it might be fun to hop on him bareback.
It's actually. These boots are so big for my stirrups.
I don't have any stirrups.
That's okay.
You said the stirrups are not for getting up on,
No, those ones aren't strong enough for that.
so I just don't put them in there.
Yeah.
If it's like a real set, I will. You know you're doing circles for me.
Ooh, are we doing a full circle?
Seems dislikes when I put my heels on him. That's how I get him to go. Instead of kicking him.
Let's try this again. I'm gonna ask for the flex.
Is it good that I don't start right away kicking him?
Yeah, you want to start with your calves.
Well, my calves don't work, and I just go like this. And you go.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean,
That would be awesome.
and because he still has his wolf teeth, I just got this new side pole halter, and we're going to use that to start training him to follow a rein. So, Paul, you got the oats ready. So if you guys recall, used to be very kicky. So I just really went slow. Foot. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, good. We got to be careful how much you're moving around. Okay, so that we're not causing a new problem while I'm doing feet. Ready? Foot. Good boy. There, I set it on my knee. And that's good. He's still up on his toe. That shows us that he's relaxed. Okay. All right, one last time. Ready? Foot. I'm going to come back, put it on my knee. He's a little bit nervous about that, but he still did good. He didn't kick. Ready? Foot. Good boy. Oh, you're so close. Okay, I'm not going to force it. Like he stopped giving me his foot. Foot. Good boy.
Oh,
Ready? Ready? Foot. So we did this through the fence for a long time. Good boy. And I noticed he was getting comfortable. Ready? Foot. Good boy. Now, yes, you have to stay on the same side of me. And the reason Paul needs to be on the same side of me is if he were to get kicky, Paul could come over with his head so that his butt goes away from me. Ready? Foot. Good boy. So now I just touched him with my knee. Go through on my knee through the fence. Foot. Good boy. Now I got my hands there, touching him with my knee, just really trying to help him get comfortable.
Good. Can I have this? Thank you. I like your work. Very much good. Let me see. Oh, it's very nice. It's very nice. Don't fight, buddy. Good boy. I have a full hand like this.
On the back one, you're not holding it with both right now. You're just picking it up, making sure that he's calm, right? And I don't go straight picking it up, wiggle it and jiggle it first. If you go too fast, that's when it gets bad.
Oh, I didn't even ask you to pick it up.
But he did.
But thank you.
All right, put it back down.
Ready?
Go forward and then go back. And go. And then go back. Good boy. And then back down. Good job. Okay, we'll turn on the
Boy. Ready? Can I see this? Oops.
picked it up super quickly.
Still start with petting it. You don't want to surprise him.
I didn't ask you to pick it up. I didn't ask you to pick it up.
He's just holding his foot up for me.
Wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Good.
We're done. Good. Scratch. 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 Sit back. Okay. You sit right now. There.